Hi, my name is Wayne Mortensen. I'm a bankruptcy attorney here in Tucson, Arizona, and
I'm Dwayne Farnsworth, Wayne's partner, and I'm also a bankruptcy attorney.
you know, we've been practicing bankruptcy for a very long time, and we're covering myths today, and one of the myths is that even after you file for bankruptcy, your creditors can still harass you. Now, let me ask my partner, what would you do to a creditor who was harassing one of your clients after they filed a bankruptcy?
Well, I can't do anything to that creditor. However, they are very afraid of the federal bankruptcy judge who has issued an automatic stay at the time that your bankruptcy was filed. My part of this process is I would bring that to the judge's attention. If it's a very innocent type of violation,
then it's probably not a big deal.
Yeah.
We call the creditor and we tell them to stop, and usually they'll stop. If they don't stop, then we can actually file motions with the U.S. Bankruptcy Court to get their attention and get them to stop, and they can actually be fined quite a large amount by the U.S. Bankruptcy Courts, and there are cases where that happens. After your bankruptcy, what happens?
well, first of all, when you file the bankruptcy, a very foundational element of the protections that Congress wants people to have is this automatic stay that the judge will issue. Just because something is against the law, remember, that doesn't necessarily mean that it won't happen. A creditor might contact you. They didn't get notice of the bankruptcy yet. It might have gone to a different department of that organization. So the automatic stay is still in place. Our office is still here to help you. You just need to contact our office, usually a paralegal assigned to your case. I like to call them our bankruptcy ninjas because they're working for you to keep the bad guys off your back. That doesn't mean that they won't call you. They might not. It doesn't mean they can't repossess your car. What it means is if they do something in violation of the law, you've got an experienced law firm behind you that will take this to the judge, and the judges are very jealous of the automatic stay. They will protect those who file bankruptcy in their court if it's necessary.
After the bankruptcy is done, just briefly, you have what's called a discharge injunction, and that means creditors still cannot contact you. So even 2, 3, 4, 10 years later, if you get contacted by a creditor, contact your lawyer, contact our firm if you've hired us, and we'll help you to stop that harassment. Thank you.